Welcome guys, today I am with JBL Reflect Mini noise cancellation earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can perform hard reset. So as you can see, I'm currently connected with my Android smartphone, and to perform the hard reset you have to keep that case open, rotate like that, and focus on this button that we can find on the back of the charging case. So what we have to do, we have to click and hold this button for 5 seconds until this indicator just blinks on the blue and then just disappear. So take a look. Click and hold, take a look on this indicator in the front. Keep holding, and right now we can release. So that was the hard reset of these earbuds. As you can see, our connection just disappeared. It means that we successfully unpair them, reset them, and all of the pair devices just disappear completely. So what you have to do to connect them one more time, just be sure that you also remove them from this place. Next, just simply click to pair new device and select one more time your JBL Reflect Mini noise cancellation earbuds. And that's how you can make the hard reset of this earbuds by using this button on the back of the charging case by holding for the 5 seconds with the case with this plastic cover open. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.